Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Honda Pilot. First, gather your essential tools, including a 17mm socket, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You will also need 5.7 quarts of new 0W20 synthetic engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Park your Pilot on a level surface and let the engine run for a few minutes to warm the oil, making it flow more easily. Now, let's get that old oil out. Locate the oil drain plug, which is usually a 17mm bolt, on the bottom of your engine's oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath to collect the used oil. Carefully remove the drain plug, ensuring you don't lose the washer, and let the oil drain completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil draining, it's time for the filter. Move your drain pan under the oil filter, often found near the passenger side wheel well. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until snug, usually about 3/4 of a turn after the gasket makes contact. Almost done, reinstall the oil drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to about 30 foot-pounds. Now, using a funnel, carefully pour 5.7 quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic oil into the engine's fill port. Replace the oil cap, start the engine for a minute, then shut it off. After a few minutes, check the oil level on the dipstick and visually inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.